Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got my free Air Purifier in the mail, so I figured it was time to open it up and I would do an unboxing really quick with you. So just grab my knife and cut it open. So up top there, spin it. You can see comes with your warranty card. And it has a layer of foam up top. We'll tip it. So the filter itself comes in a poly bag. And then on the bottom, you also have your user manual. And that's it inside the box, just another layer of foam at the bottom. So take off the poly bag. Just first impressions of the purifier itself, it looks really nice. The plastic feels like nice quality. The cord feels strong and durable. Has touch controls here, and it just looks really nice. So I'll do another video after I actually get it set up and start using it, but just wanted to give you that quick unboxing look now.